All right, so I'm here near Pennsylvania, and every year they have a dam upriver that way that they deflate every fall around this time. I'm gonna head downriver and just get set up and see if I can catch some of the fish that start feeding once the water gets a little murkier and gets higher. I think the smallmouth are gonna stage in very particular areas to try to catch the forage that's gonna wash downstream. All right, well, wish me luck. All right, I just heard some gunshots and some waterfowl flying upriver. Hopefully I won't be dodging bullets from the hunters. All right, water has not risen yet. We'll see what happens. So the wind's blowing everything on the surface over to the east side of the river. So I'm guessing if there's little bait fish that they're gonna be pushed this way as well. Oh, got one, yes. Woo. We got a double. Nice. Oh, this might be my first. I think this is my first double. Yes. That's awesome. Let's try to get these guys off without hooking myself. Being very still. That's one. And two. Nice. Off to a good start. Got one. Are you the guy that's harassing all those little bait fish by the shore? Got him. I think this feels a little better, I think. Staying down. All right. Got him. Oh, good one. Yes. Oh, it's a good one. Yes. Yes. All right. Guessing 2.5 pounds. 2.5. All right. See ya. It's really nice not having a ton of grass floating down the river like it was in Harrisburg. Nope, got him. All right, another good one. Oh my gosh. Yes. I just hooked my shirt. All right, I gotta figure out how to land them because my shirt is hooked on a swim bait. Oh, dang it. Come on, buddy. Yes. All right. Okay. 2 pounds, something like that. Kind of thinking that they might hit the spybait because they just don't ever see it. This isn't something that people normally fish up here. Yes. Oh, nice. Yes. All right. Ooh. Oh. Oh man, a big one was just following it. Probably about 3 pounds. I guess they're hanging out in the shade line, possibly. All right, let's check the water gauges. Nope, nothing. Jeez, I feel like a salmon. That's why you go to the gym. I don't know if you can see the bait fish on the camera. They're a little smaller than my spybait. Thinks I'm a tree, I guess. Oh my God. All right, so what should I do? Should I go back and, oh my God. All right, they're probably not gonna eat right now, obviously. Holy moly, dude. Got one. Nice. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at that. Yes. I guess I didn't spook them all. All right. I think he sees me. Got him. Yeah, looks like they've all moved upriver. Just knowing that they could be, like, there could be big bass, like 3-pounders, just chilling in areas like this is really informative. Musky. Look. Oh, he's fat. Holy moly. Got him. Yes. Another one on the spybait. Just retie every few fish, just in case there's like a weak spot, like a little nick. Ooh, I see some big ones right there. What are those? Look, it's like it's freshwater drum. What are those? Holy crap! There's a bunch of them. They're not shad. Okay, that fish got off. Jeez. Thought they were gizzard shad at first, but man, they were something different. Check the water levels now. Okay, this is updated an hour ago, 1:45. Oh, here we go. Something's happening. 6.65 feet, so it went up half of a foot. All right, looks like they're starting. A little blip there. Okie dokie, here we go. I don't know when it's gonna hit me. I'm gonna go to the spots I was looking at on the map. So while I'm still dealing with the clear water, one thing that I've realized is that the reason why I'm catching more fish on the spybait is because I think mostly because I can cast it really far. You know, and it has like a lighter leader. I think I have a 10-pound leader on this, and the fish seem to be really spooky and finicky, so I'm not able to get very close to them at all. You know, anytime I can see them, like, they are already just acting weirded out and moving away from me. The object is not to let them hear me or see me. And then when we get that big push of water coming down the river from the dam, that's gonna ease things up, and I can start power fishing. I can start fishing a bit closer to the boat, getting a little closer to the structures that I wanna fish. Glad I haven't lost this bait yet. I've caught so many fish on it. Definitely caught over 10. Got him. Yes. Yes. Good looking one. That one. Yes. Oh, nice. Oh, jeez. Nice one. Oh my gosh. Dude, you are strong. Holy crap. All right, biggest one of the day so far on the square bill. Holy moly. All right, I'm glad I tied this on. .9. Nice. Man, he fought hard. He's another one that stayed down, didn't jump or anything like that until the end. Man, nice one. There he goes. Whoa, right next to the boat. Nice. Where you at? Where is he? He snagged on something? Oh, no. Wait, is he snagged under my boat? What in the world? What do I do? He's stuck on the... Okay. Yes. Alright, I guess he's stuck with the crankbait now. That sucks. Sorry, dude. Oof. Yeah, look what happened to the line. Oh my god, it like... Dang. Sorry, buddy. That sucks. These are the Kevin Van Dam. I think they're like 1.5s or something like that. I like how big the hooks are on these. Got him. Oh, good one. Holy crap. Dude. Oh my god. Oh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is huge. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh my god. Yes. Dude. The crankbait. Dude. 20, almost, dude, that could be 21 inches. Holy crap. 3.88. Nice. Yes. 3.88. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. This girl, whatever it is. Put this up. I think I'm going to be mostly power fishing at this point. Yeah, definitely need a normal, what do you call it, bump board. I've got that Bass Pro Shops one at home, but I wanted to get into some tournaments. Man, I'm so glad I came out. You know, it's funny, I don't like going fishing on the weekends just because I imagine there's going to be a million people out. And in a lot of situations, that's true. I mean, the reason why I think that is because I've been out on the weekends mostly in prior years, and there's always been people where I want to fish. But I guess if you find spots like this where people have a hard time getting to, you can be alone. So he was just at like the tail end of a riffle. Let's look up the water levels. Let's see, what does it say? 7.63 feet, so 1.5 feet. It's up 1.5 feet. Look at it this way. All right, it's coming. All right, I just realized I lost some really good footage. Oh my gosh. Lost the chatterbait, lost some really good footage. But I'm about to get a good fish. I think this might be a good spot coming up. Looks like some slack water meeting some current. Should be good here. Got a lot of wood, got current. Got him. Yes. Oh, come on, come on. Oh my God. Yes. Gotcha. Yes. All right. They might have stopped biting. Haven't even gotten a bite in like an hour after that slam fest I went through. Got him. Got one. Nice. Thought I was snagged. I think I'm actually at the shelf areas now, and maybe the fish are actually up here feeding because they don't normally get to come up here. Nope. No. All right, he stayed on. First rat bass. So nice out here. It's gonna be getting cold soon. Man, I can't believe how amazing it would be to live close by and just to, you know, be able to come out here after work every day. The absolute best times to go fishing are right at sunrise and the last couple hours of the day.